sunshine? Will you make me happy when skies are gray? Will you ever know, dear, how much I love you? Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and cried. Are you my sunshine? Are you my sunshine? Are you my sunshine? Are you mine?
So there you have it. That is what bottleneck blues ukulele sounds like. And if you want to learn exactly what I just played for free, go to uketropolis.com/slide. The link is in the description. And when you go there, you'll get 2 free lessons with me, taking you through step by step exactly how to get started with this bottleneck blues sound. It will make you play your ukulele in a whole new way, and it's really easy to get started with. So go to uketropolis.com/slide. You'll even get the backing track that you just heard me playing along to so that you can play along as well. uketropolis.com/slide. I'll see you there.